Hi there, it's Robin and welcome back. I'm excited to share with you some spring decor that I've been working on for the dining room. It turned out bright, cheerful, and it was all decorated on a budget. I knew I wanted to use my growing collection of dishes with pink roses. They don't all match, but that does not bother me at all. I also like to use brass for the spring and summer months. My collection's a little small, but I'm working on it. I like to start with decorating my hutch. It kind of sets the tone for the rest of the room. This is actually a piece I picked up at IKEA, I don't know, probably 15 years ago. It's worked very well for me. Once the hutch was done, I moved on to the desk in the corner. The first thing I did was swap out the wall sconce with a brass one. And of course, I'll be using my favorite flameless candlesticks. I'll have a link for these down in the description box if you're interested. And finally, the table itself needed to be decorated. I recently thrifted this vintage tablecloth that is absolutely gorgeous, and I was so excited to be able to use it like right away. And then finally, I put together a tea tray using some of my favorite thrifted pieces just to give myself an excuse to use them. This oversized platter is absolutely gorgeous. I love the delicate design along the edges. From my corner hutch, I picked out one of my absolute favorite teapots. Don't you just love the handle? And of course, one of my absolute favorite creamer and sugar sets. So I hope you enjoyed this look into my spring dining room. It has inspired me to get to my act together and finish up the rest of my house as well, which of course I will definitely be sharing here in the next couple weeks. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon. Bye now.